Let's take a look at some of the new features in this release. I've been working on my drawing and I noticed a new balloon notification pop up. A change has been made to an externally referenced drawing, an XREF. Now I can compare the changes made to the drawing file that's attached as an XREF in the drawing I'm currently working in. Any differences between the XREF and the reference source drawing are highlighted using color and revision clouds. An AutoLisp extension is now available for use with Visual Studio Code that allows you to edit and debug AutoLisp source files with AutoCAD. Using Visual Studio Code, you can create and modify Lisp files and add watches and breakpoints for debugging. A new Quick Mode option for the trim and extend commands is now available. Instead of having to first select boundaries for trim and extend, Quick Mode selects all potential boundaries by default. After you start either the trim or extend commands, simply select the objects you want to trim or extend. We think you'll like the new Quick Mode option, but if it's not for you, the legacy behavior can be restored using the trim extend mode system variable. With the new break at point command, you can separate a line, arc, or open polyline into two objects at a specified point. As a separate command, break at point can be repeated by pressing Enter. We made a few enhancements to revision clouds. When a revision cloud is selected, the Properties palette now displays RevCloud as the object type instead of polyline. You can also change the arc chord length of a selected revision cloud from the Miscellaneous section on the Properties palette, or from the command window with the new RevCloud Properties command. Use the new RevCloud Arc Variant System variable to control whether the chord lengths of the arcs vary in length or are uniform when inserted. The quick option of the Measure Geom command now supports extracting areas and perimeters from within enclosed areas in a 2D drawing. Clicking within a closed area highlights it in green and displays the calculated values in the command window and next to the cursor. If you save drawing files to a Box, Dropbox, or Microsoft OneDrive account, versions of these drawing files are created each time they are saved. Use the new Drawing History palette to see a list of the drawing versions. Compare the saved version with the current version of your drawing. You can choose which version to compare based on calendar dates, the person who made the change, or a minimum time increment between versions. The Other Drawings tab on the Blocks palette has been renamed to the Libraries tab. You can easily choose a folder or a drawing file to act as a library of block definitions. The Libraries tab also provides convenient access across different locations and devices. When you use your Autodesk account with a supported cloud storage provider, you can access your recent blocks and block libraries from any device using AutoCAD or the AutoCAD web app. Supported cloud storage providers include Box, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. Gestures are now supported for touch-enabled devices. When there's no active command, swipe with 1 or 2 fingers to pan. And when a command is active, swipe with 2 fingers. Pinch with 2 fingers to zoom out, and spread with 2 fingers to zoom in. Tap on an object to select it, or drag 1 finger left to right to specify a window selection, or right to left to specify a crossing selection. When a command is active, you can tap a location to specify a point. For more precise control, drag your finger over an object until you see the object snap. Double tap 1 finger to end the command or clear a selection. Look in Help for more information on these and other enhancements.